Hello friends, today we are talking about the radiant Rangoli of unity. This story is based on small Indian village stories. So let's go and listen, and before listening, please subscribe to the channel.
Once upon a time, in a small Indian village named Nagar, people from various backgrounds coexisted in peace. However, like any society, Nagar faced challenges that hindered its progress. One day, the village elders gathered to discuss a common issue: the lack of unity among the residents. They observed that people tended to stay within their own social circles, and there was a palpable divide among them. Determined to bring positive change, the elders decided to organize a grand festival that would involve everyone in the community. The festival, named Unity Utsav, aimed to celebrate the diversity of Nagar and promote understanding among its residents. The highlight of the event was a massive community rangoli, a vibrant and intricate pattern made with colored powders, which would be created collaboratively by all villagers. As preparations for the festival began, excitement filled the air. The elders encouraged everyone to participate, emphasizing the importance of working together to create something beautiful. Families, young and old, from different backgrounds, eagerly joined hands to contribute to the radiant Rangoli. Each person brought their unique colors and patterns, symbolizing their individuality. As they worked side by side, conversations flowed and barriers crumbled. People shared stories, laughter, and discovered commonalities they had never noticed before. Slowly but steadily, the Rangoli began to take shape, reflecting the unity that was forming within the community. The day of Unity Utsav arrived, and the entire village gathered around the magnificent Rangoli. The colors blended seamlessly, representing the harmonious coexistence of diverse elements. The elders addressed the crowd, expressing their joy at witnessing the transformation in their society. They reminded everyone that just as each color played a crucial role in the beauty of the Rangoli, every individual in Nagar was an integral part of their vibrant community. The festival became an annual tradition, strengthening the bonds among the villagers. Over time, the spirit of Unity Utsav extended beyond the festival itself. People started collaborating on various projects that benefited the entire community, such as building schools, improving infrastructure, and organizing healthcare initiatives. Nagar became a shining example of how unity, respect, and understanding could lead to positive change. The radiant Rangoli served as a constant reminder that the beauty of a society lies in its ability to celebrate diversity and work together towards a common goal. And so, the people of Nagar continued to live harmoniously, their shared vision of unity lighting up their village and inspiring neighboring communities to follow suit.